back to my channel. So today is my son's birthday. Milan, come. He is 4 years old today, and I'm so excited and so happy that my little baby of yesterday is 4. He's 4. Hello. So we decided to do like a little lockdown birthday party at home for him. We've been dancing all day, you know, so yeah, it's time to eat now. Daddy, come on. We've been dancing all day. See, Daddy.
It's so exciting.
Oh, we're so excited. I'm using my phone, guys, so I have to stretch my hand like this to get everyone in the frame. Yeah, so we're going to eat now. Come on, Nina. Let Daddy carry you. Yeah, so everyone is in the frame now. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yay, Milan, happy birthday to you. So we're going to eat now. I'm just going to show you guys like what we've got. You know, we've got cake, cupcakes, drinks, smoothies, you know, and of course jollof rice. Hey, jollof rice has to be there. Jollof rice with salad. Hey, so we've got all that, and we're going to, you know, have some fun and dance because the birthday boy is 4. We would have shown you guys his birthday present, but he was so excited to open them, and I forgot to even film. Can you imagine? I actually forgot to film, you guys. That's why you need to follow me on Instagram, because majority of my content is on Instagram, like everyday, you know, lifestyle content is on Instagram. But when I remember to film on, you know, YouTube, I try to. Don't worry, this particular content is only for my YouTube. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys what we get up to. Right, so let me show you guys our meal, and we can start dancing because today is our son's birthday. Yeah. So this is our dinner setting. Jollof rice and chicken with some beef on the side. The kids wanted some plantain. And then birthday cake is there. We've got some cupcakes and the kids' favorite smoothie, some drinks, and some salad as well. And there's some, you know, munchies here for them as well. We've got a little bit of munchies. So it's just like a little stay-at-home mini birthday party. We've got some balloons scattered around the house somewhere. There's another one down there. You know, there's some balloons everywhere, and I also popped some balloons here, you know. So yeah, Daddy's right here. Oh, Nina got Milan this lovely card. Nina, can you read what it says? Let me just show them what it says. Okay, Nina, can you read it to us?
See, Milan, happy 4th birthday. I love you. And you are the best brother ever.
Oh, that's such a sweet card for a sweet little boy. Right, Daddy, let's eat. Come on, Daddy. Father, for the blessing of this food and for my sweet son's birthday. Thank you, Father. Amen.
Good.
Yummy. Let's put some drink for the kids.
Yay.
So guys, I'm so sorry I didn't film on time, because, you know, I was busy. I was cooking, you know, the jollof rice, you know. I should have filmed that part when I was making the food, you know, but I was just like, you know, busy all day in the morning, and plus I had some other editing work to do, so, you know, I had to just finish the edits first. This is so good. No wonder the kids love it. So good. So guys, the party is about to start. We've just eaten, And now we're going to do a dancing competition. Everyone is going to dance. You guys will choose the winner. But us, we're going to also choose the winner of the dancing competition here and now. So I'm just going to play some music on the TV and everybody will dance. I'm going to be the DJ, so I'm going to be the one coordinating everything. So now, guys, let's start. Time to dance. Wait, let's start. Hey! Is yours to freeze? I just thought of this one. When I stop it, then you have to freeze. Anybody that moves is out of the game.
What? What did I do?
For another time.
Milan, you're moving. You're out of the game, Milan. Okay, you can stay. It's your birthday, so I'm going to let you stay. Pause. Freeze. Nina, you fell down. So okay, let's play the next game.
One more chance.
Okay, let's play the next game. We're going to play musical chairs. So Nina, bring the chairs. Let's play musical chairs.
Can we get the big
Mommy and Nina and Daddy, the three of you are going to play musical chairs. So you guys know the rules, yeah?
Yeah.
You dance around the chair.
No touch.
And when I pause the music, the first to sit down will be in the game, and the last to sit down is out of the game.
Oh.
All right. So now let's start. No cheating. Don't worry, then Daddy sit down. It's you and Nina now. Okay, we're gonna take one chair out. This one.
Nina? Nina?
Okay, make sure you wait, Nina.
The birthday boy is the winner!
Well done, Nina. Well done. You
Oh,
did
you're the winner?
For another time.
Milan is the winner of the game. So now we're going to cut the cake. Birthday boy, let's go cut your cake.
Candles.
Okay, yeah. Let's sing happy birthday to Milan before he can make his wish. Happy birthday to Milan. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
How
old are you now?
How old are you now?
4. How old are you now? How old are you now? 4.
Oh, baby, God bless you.
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Blow your candle.
Did you make a wish?
Did you make a wish? Good boy. Well done.
Let's clap for him again. High five. Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
So now, guys, pick your cupcakes. I want the red velvet.
I want this one. I want this one too.
Okay, I have the red
Pick
one.
some cupcakes. So I'm just going to cut
Can we
this.
start eating?
Yeah.
Thank
I'm
you,
going to
Mom.
cut the cake. Let me bring a plate.
Yummy. Yeah, you can open it if you want.
Let me bring a plate.
Can you open it?
For another time.
So that is it for our birthday vlog today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I know I missed some parts in the beginning, but don't worry. The most important thing is that we love our son Milan and we're celebrating him today. And we are so excited and happy that he is 4 years old today. Guys, and Dina has been brilliant today. She set up the balloons, she got the decorations.
The cake?
You got the cake, the card. Like, she was super like creative today. She even designed a card for him, and that was so nice. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Do you have anything to say?
Thank you for making it a special day, and thank you, Nina, also, because you really did well today. And Kobe, we're so proud of you.
I'm so proud of
Milan,
you.
we're so happy. And we're going to see many, many more birthdays.
Amen.
Amen. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly, and I would love for you guys to be part of my viewers. Thank you again for watching, and I'll
Thank
see you
you.
in the next one.
Bye! Peace out!